Hello children, how are you all? I hope that you are fine. Today let's see a new chapter in science, chapter 7, that is about food and health. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study about importance of food and different nutrients present in food and some of the methods we are using in our daily life to preserve food items, and then we will discuss some of the food habits of animals and birds and know how their beaks, teeth and other parts are modified to suit their food habits. Okay children, so you all familiar with food? Yes, food is very important. Yes. What are the three basic needs of human being? Food, water and shelter. Yes, so food is one of the basic needs every being needs in their life. Without food we cannot survive because food gives energy for us. Food gives strength to our body. It protects our body from disease. Yes, so we should have healthy food in our diet every day. Okay, so we are eating different kinds of food, isn't it children? You'll be having some favorite food, isn't it? But also we should have different kinds of food which contains different nutrients. Okay, then we can lead a healthy life in our life. So let's see in this chapter about importance of food. So here I have given some of the examples for the food items which we will eat in our daily life. Rice, dal, pulao, ghee, carrot halwa, chapati. Okay, so these are some of the food items which we normally use in our daily life. You are all familiar with this, is it children? So these food are very tasty and we like to eat and it gives energy for us. So let's classify these food items into three types. First we can see what are the food items which gives energy for us. Okay, so here I have given some examples. Okay, so you can write more examples because there is many food items which is giving energy for us. Okay, so here I have given only 5 examples. Energy giving food items are rice, ragi, potatoes, groundnut, honey. Okay children, so what are the energy giving food items? Rice, ragi, potatoes, groundnut, honey. Okay, now let's see about the food items which help us to grow. Okay, so there are many food items which help us to grow. Some of the food items are soya bean, milk, egg, pulses, vegetable. So here you can see the boy. So they are measuring the height of this boy. Yes, we want to grow means we have to eat the food items which help us to grow, such as soya bean, milk, egg, pulses, vegetables, fruits, etc. Okay children, now let's see about the food items which give protection to the body. Okay, so some of the food items I have given here. Let's see that vegetables. So we must eat vegetable in our daily routine. Why means vegetable protect our body. It has minerals, vitamins which help us to protect from the disease. Fruits. Fruits also help us to protect help us by protecting our body from harmful disease. Then meat, milk, egg, these are the food items which contain protein, and these food items help us to protect our body from harmful diseases. Okay, so there are many food items which is giving energy for us, which is giving protection to our body, which helps us to grow. Understood, children? Now let's see nutrients in food. Yes, we are eating different kinds of food, isn't it? Do you know why we are eating different kinds of food, children? Because if we are eating only one kind of food every day, for example, only you are taking rice every day as a food, okay, what will happen? The rice contain only one nutrient, that is carbohydrate. If we are not having different kinds of food, we cannot get all the nutrients which is required by our body for its growth and for its protection. Okay, children, so there are mainly four different nutrients which is important to our body, which we must have in our food. Okay, so what are the nutrients in food, children? Let's see. Carbohydrates. What is this? Carbohydrates. Proteins. Lipids or fat. Mineral salt, vitamins. Okay, so these are the important nutrients which we must have in our food. Okay, so if we are eating only one kind of food, we will not get all these nutrients which is required by our body. Okay, so it is must we have to have all these nutrients in our food. Okay, then our body will grow, and we can lead healthy life, and our body will be protected from several harmful diseases. Okay, children, so what are the nutrients in food? Carbohydrates, proteins, lipids or fat, mineral salt, vitamins. Now here you can see the nutrients with its function. Okay, so I have told that first nutrient is carbohydrate. Yes, so carbohydrate is the main nutrient which we should have in our food. Why we should have carbohydrate in our food? Because carbohydrate is the nutrient which is present in the food which give energy to the body. Yes, we need energy to do all activities. Yes, without energy we will feel more tired, we cannot do any work. Yes, children, so carbohydrate is very important which gives energy to the body. Okay, so carbohydrate is the nutrient which we should have in our food to get energy. Okay, so here you can see some examples of the food items which contain carbohydrate. Is what are they? Potatoes, then sweet potatoes, then corn, then honey, rice, beet, sugarcane. Okay, so these are some of the examples of the food items which contain nutrient called carbohydrate. Okay, children, so one more time I will repeat. So examples of the food items which contain carbohydrate are potato, sweet potato, rice, wheat, corn, honey, sugarcane. Okay, so it's very important to have carbohydrate in our food. Why it is very important? It will give energy to the body. Okay. Due to if we are not having, okay, if we are not having carbohydrate in our food, what will happen? One can suffer from weakness. Okay, so if we are not eating carbohydrate in our food, we will often get sickness, will become weak, we will not get energy, our body become more weak, we cannot do any work. Okay children, so you all should have carbohydrate in your food. Now next one, what is the nutrient? Second nutrient, that is protein. Okay, so what are the food items which contain protein? Let's see. Here I have given some examples for the food items which contain proteins. Okay. So first picture is cow beans. You are all familiar with cow beans, isn't it? Then tur dal, green gram, groundnut, okay, and some other food items are egg, fish, meat, milk. Okay, so these all food items contain what? Protein. Okay, so protein rich food are cow beans, dal, green gram, groundnut, egg, fish, meat, milk. Okay, children, so we should have in our life protein every day as our food. Why we should have protein as our food? Because protein helps in the growth of our body. Okay, so proteins are present in food items such as egg, fish, milk, meat. Yes, dal, green gram, groundnut. Yes, so if we are having properly protein in our diet, it will help us to grow. Okay, so it's our duty what we should have proper protein in our food which helps us to grow. Okay, next nutrient is lipids. Okay, so lipids also called as fat. Okay, so lipids, what is the use of lipids? Lipids help us to, it also give energy for us. Okay, so it contains more energy than carbohydrate. Okay, already I have told that carbohydrate is an energy giving nutrient, isn't it? But lipid gives more energy than carbohydrate. If we use a little fat or if you use a little lipid, it's enough. It gives more energy than carbohydrate. So lipids has high fat content. Okay, lipids have high fat content. Okay, now let's see some of the example for the lipid containing foods. Okay, so lipids are present in milk, then fish, then meat, then egg. Okay, so it contains what? Fat. Okay, then it also in present in groundnut oil, coconut oil, sesame oil, ghee. Okay, so all oils, that means groundnut oil, coconut oil, sesame, which we are using in our home. Yes, so ghee also have high fat content. Okay, so what is the use of fat, children? If we use little fat, it's enough. Fat gives more energy than carbohydrates. Okay, children. Next, do you eat different vegetable, fruits and salt? Children, okay, so you people, some childrens will not like vegetables, isn't it, children? So, vegetables and fruits we should have in our daily life. Why we should have? Because they are rich in minerals, salts and vitamins. Okay, so children, we should have vegetables and fruits which are rich in minerals, salt and vitamins. What is the use of these minerals, salt and vitamins? They protect us from diseases and keep us healthy. Yes, we won't like to go to hospital, isn't it, children? So if you don't want to go to hospital, we should eat what? Vegetables and fruits which are rich in minerals, salt and vitamins, because they protect us from diseases and keep us healthy. Now, there are four important vitamins. Okay, children. So, now we are going to see about vitamins. There are four important vitamins. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. Okay, so what are the four important vitamins? They are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. Okay. Now we can see what are the food items which contains vitamin A and what are the uses of vitamin A. Okay. So food items such as green and yellow vegetables, fruits, leafy vegetables, carrot, butter, ghee, milk and egg. So here you can see in the picture, isn't it, children? So green and yellow vegetables like banana, papaya, okay. Then fruits, leafy vegetables, then carrot, butter, ghee, milk and egg contains vitamin A. So what is the use of vitamin A? If we are having the food items containing vitamin A, it preserves good eyesight. Yes, we will get a good eyesight if you are eating food items containing vitamin A. It helps to, it gives us good skin and good teeth. Okay, so that means it will preserve good teeth and it will maintain skin healthy. So we should have vitamin A in our daily food. Now, vitamin B. Food items containing vitamin B are wheat, ragi, black gram, greens, germinated grains. Okay, once again I will repeat. Food items which contain vitamin B are wheat, ragi, black gram, greens, germinated grains. Okay, so it protects our skin, heart and digestive system. So if we are eating food items contain vitamin B, it protects our skin, heart and digestive system. Now vitamin C. So food items containing vitamin C are orange, lemon, tomato, raw vegetables, gooseberry, apple, pineapple, germinated seeds. Okay, so fruits such as orange, lemon, then vegetables and tomato, gooseberry, apple, pineapple, then germinated grains contain vitamin C. So vitamin C protects teeth and gums. Okay, so we should have vitamin C in our food because it protects our teeth and teeth gums. Then vitamin D. So the food items which contain vitamin D are cod liver oil. When sun rays fall on the skin, vitamin D is produced. Okay, so vitamin D rich food is cod liver oil. So morning sun rays, it contains vitamin D. Okay, so if it falls on the skin, vitamin D is produced in our body. So what is the use of vitamin D? It protects bones and teeth. Yes, we like our teeth and bones to be strong and to be safe. Yes, so vitamin D help us to protect our bones and teeth. Understood, children? Now let's move to the vitamins. If we are not having in our food, some of the disease are caused due to their deficiency. What is meant by deficiency? If we are not having properly the food items containing vitamins, this leads to disease. Okay, deficiency means lack of vitamins in our body or decrease in the level of vitamin in our body. Okay, so now we can see the vitamin A, if you are not having, or if the deficiency of vitamin A is there, what is the disease caused? Means night blindness. What is meant by night blindness? One cannot see in dim light. Okay, so here you can see the picture which is representing the night blindness. Okay, so night blindness, if we are having, we cannot see anything in dim light. Okay, so vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness. Then vitamin B deficiency causes beriberi. Okay, so what is meant by beriberi? Symptoms of beriberi are accumulation of water in legs, muscle, respiration and heart problems will be there. Okay, so accumulation of water in legs, then there will be a pain in the muscles, and there will be problems in while respiration, and it also leads to heart problems. Okay, so vitamin B is an important vitamin. Okay, so deficiency of vitamin B causes disease called beriberi. Symptoms of beriberi are accumulation of water in legs, then muscle pain, respiration and heart problem. So here you can see in the picture, so accumulation of water in the legs or belly parts is, so that is called rickets. Now here you can see beriberi. Okay, so beriberi, it will cause what? Muscle pain, and here you can see the swelling of the muscles. Yes, beriberi disease. Now vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin C causes disease called scurvy. Okay, so deficiency of vitamin C called as scurvy. It is, what is this disease? What are the symptoms of this disease? Soft and bleeding gums, swollen legs. Okay, so here you can see in the picture the gums, teeth, from the teeth gums there will be a bleeding. Okay, so vitamin C deficiency is scurvy. The disease caused due to the vitamin C deficiency is scurvy. Symptoms are soft and bleeding gums, then swollen legs. Then vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency cause disease called rickets. That means disorder of bones and bowed legs. So here you can see the legs bent as bowed legs. So vitamin D deficiency causes rickets. Okay, so vitamin A deficiency cause disease called night blindness. Vitamin B deficiency causes beriberi. Vitamin C causes deficiency disease called scurvy. Vitamin D cause disease called rickets. Okay, deficiency disease called rickets. Okay, so we must have the vitamin rich food in our life. Now, we must eat beans, radish, leafy vegetables, fruits with edible skin such as apple, guava and cereals. Okay, because they are rich in fibers. Okay, so we should have the food rich in fibers also. So why we should have the food rich in fibers? Because it helps in excretion. So what is meant by excretion, children? Excretion means removal of waste product. Okay, so if our body is not eliminating waste products, very difficult. Okay, it leads to what? Harmful ill effects in our body. So we must eat beans, radish, leafy vegetables, fruits with edible skin like apple, guava and cereals. They are rich in fibers and helps in excretion. Okay, I hope that you all understand about the importance of nutrients in our food. Yes, we should have, yes, what important nutrients, what are the essential nutrients which is required by our body for its growth and for its protection. Okay, children, so if you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you, children.